Hello everyone, and welcome back to Teardown. As I had mentioned previously in the last video, this was meant to be last week, but I had an issue with Steam and I didn't think to myself, right, how about I just restart it? So, yeah, this video is 1 week late. I hope you enjoyed the World of Tanks video. And this is more news broadcast about my endeavours, it seems. I'm now going to operate the computer. I've been up all night digging through the login devices and managed to find a connection to the West Point Marina. Right, wait, hang on. Have I got two different... I've got two different missions that's waiting for me. I'm a little surprised by that. I think I'm going to go with the not really demolition first. He's a CEO of Lee Chemicals. Oh yeah, Lee, of course, what am I saying? The car wash. The home of the mall manager and racing enthusiast Gordon Wu, his daughter Freya, and fiancée Enid Humans, an exclusive mansion and private racetrack in the backyard. Oh wait, I thought that was so much. Dump at least 3 of Gordon's expensive cars in water. Yes, I think I can do that. I think I can definitely do that. This is going to be good. Right, so there's my van. Press tab. Where are the cars? So, I'm going to find a way to... Wired alarm boxes, breaking alarm box, or wire triggers the alarm. So, I think... Yeah, this is probably the first car I'm going to get out. No, that's going to be the first one. Hang on, no! I think it'll probably be these 3, because I can drive that down there, then get back down there, get back down there. That's just my theory. I don't want to go and do mass demolition when I don't need to. I literally just need to get 3 cars in the water, which is simple enough. There's one here. Also, it's not actually in the building. How easy is that compared to the other one? That's what I want to know. Is that the boot? I don't know if that's the boot or not. Right, so I can see 2 of the cars. There's one there and one there. That's on a truck. Yes, I am definitely going to demolish that one. I'm going to move it near the water and then just right at the end drive it in. Right. Up the stairs. I can actually make it. I'm honestly a tiny bit surprised by that. This is definitely one of the easier missions, it seems. Does it look like one of the side missions? I don't know. Or maybe it's just a point where I've now got freedom to do what exactly I want. Now I've got to make sure not to dump it in water so far. Right. Got to lower the bed. And then right at the end, I can just drive that off. I'm also going to have to find myself a car so I can drive myself back. There was a car down there, I believe. Is there? Yeah, of course there is. Tempted to almost drive on a lap on the racetrack. You know what? I am going to drive a lap on the racetrack in this car. Here we go. I couldn't see the corner. It's a bit too dark and seems foggy. Pixelated. I can barely see thanks to the lights. If there wasn't any lights out, it would be much more difficult. This is actually a really fast car. Which way does it go? That way. Okay. Right, well that wasn't planned. I think I'm just going to stop doing that now and get onto the main thing, because I've done a lap. Oh, it's actually damaged the car. Oh, of course there's a car right there. I didn't even need this car. You know what? I'm just going to use it anyway to get myself over to the car at the swimming pool. And then I will quick save it and start. Right. Well, I didn't mean to do that, but I meant to press E. Oh well, I've now got half a rear wing. And I have saved it. Now, go. Okay, that's too difficult to control. I am maybe going to try something else. Like going for the different car. Or maybe not hitting the rear wing off. Possibly that has an effect on it. Okay, I think the rear... Once again, I am going to have to try something else. Wrong car. That's not exactly what I had in mind, but it was something else. Now, drive it through here. Not through the bush. Now I've got to get back up and into here. Come on, Lamborghini. Now I just need to get back up here. Oh, I just realised I'm going to have to drive back into an escape. You know, I didn't think that through. I think I'm probably going to have to start over. Well, this just got amazing. Yay. Gonna have to line myself up so I can actually get back. Well, I have lined everything up, and now I should have time to go. Line the bush, please. Unfortunately, that flung me in the water, but I still have quite a bit of time. Right. I possibly spoke too soon in that area, but oh well. Off that goes. Nope. Off that goes. Car. Now I just need to go round the gate. And I've toppled the damn car. Where's my van? There it is. And I have made it. And then phased through the car. Oh, well, it's actually smooth lines when I'm driving. I suppose that makes sense. That's when I dropped out of the car. Yeah, and that's when I got really confused. I need to remember that in case I come back next time. I have to do it. Okay, well, something similar again. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna not watch this. I'm gonna get on with the next thing. And Trespasser, you have achieved a new rank, a new tool has been delivered. And for some reason I've spawned out back. Right, what tool is this? Plank tool. Planks can be used to build primitive ramps. And also attach objects with planks to lift or drag heavy items. Use multiple planks to build complex structures. Right, yeah, I can see how that would actually be a good item. Can I turn the... That wasn't what I meant to do. Oh well. I think I'm just going to operate the computer. Maybe see if I can buy more tools. Shotgun. Blowtorch. No upgrades. I can buy more fuel for it. I've got 555. Why didn't I not get paid for the last thing? I'm pretty sure that was something I should have got. Going to buy more planks. And width. And now I've only got 55, but I think that will come in handy. If not, I just have loads of stuff. Okay, now I'm being blackmailed by the police. Right, I better get on with it. Otherwise I will be busted. And I'm back to West Point Marina. Play mission. Well, I've had a quick look of what I need to do. I can steal that boat or do something with it and then go in the boathouse, but that's not required, so I'm not going to do that because it will just waste more time, and I'm a high-speed man for a high-speed age, as the meme says. I think so, anyway. Whatever. Now I'm just going to have to drive this around, and I'm going to get over there, although I should probably have gone to the other place first. Wait, what just happened there? That just glitched. I'm going to now destroy this gate, so that means I can walk through it whenever I want. No, I want... Maybe I should just leave the forklift here so it stays forever open. Right, it's forever slightly open. That's good enough in my book. Now we're just going to have to go in there and see what we're dealing with. So it's one in here, one in a fishing boat on the land, and in that boat over there. This is going to be the second time I've absolutely destroyed this home. Right, so it should be... No, it wouldn't be in the toilet, would it? Would it? An antique pirate sword. You know, I wasn't expecting... You know, maybe that's how I do make money, if I just grab valuables. That makes sense. Oh well. I've made some money off of that. I'd say it was a good start. Now I'm just going to assume it's upstairs. Is it in here? No. Gotta look out for valuables as well. Any valuables in here? No. In here? No. Now I'm assuming it must be here. Right, a computer isn't a valuable. And I can trash it like it's wood. So, if I were to pick that up, I'd need to make it over there with a boat, run onto there, have a getaway vehicle to get to the boat and then get back in. Okay. I'm going to prepare by first making a hole in this wall. Be careful not to hit the alarm wire and trigger anything. Probably gonna have to move this chair, that would be smart. This is good enough. Yeah, that's good. Going to drive this over here. It's sort of slow. Is the other boat fast enough? That's what I want to know. Can't settle for anything less than what I can have. You know, I'd say this is considerably faster if you couldn't tell. And that seems to be the vehicle I will use there. Wait, is that a pickup truck with the fishing boat as a trailer? Because that's going to be really handy. Yes, it is. I think. Yep. I could actually drive this boat around if I can get it in the water. Now that's probably the ideal thing, because I don't think I'm going to get it to turn around. If I can actually just get this in the water and then drive it around, this will be good. Now I've beached it. Help. I think I'm going to have to shunt it. Of course, that car that I thought was going to be my getaway vehicle isn't. It's got no wheels. Now I've busted that gate open. Need to make sure this is lowered. Yep, right is down. Come on. In the water. I'm severely damaging this, but that's an oh well. I get the trailer. I'm gonna have to sever the link, aren't I? Blowtorch. Yep. Now this should be relatively good. Can I pull this out? No, I am going to have to blowtorch this as well. Which seems to not want to move. Shotgun? You know what, that worked. That worked a lot better than I expected. This should be able to drive. Yeah, it's still got its engine, it just won't budge. Simply because this. Now, if I can sever here. Right, I should now not be able to get out of the water. Come on. Drive. I'm gonna have to destroy these boys. In the water. Is it good enough yet? No. No, 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 no. Do not sink. Please. It's sunk. The boat has sunk. Well, you know what? There is worse things that can happen. Instead, I think I would start the journey at that boat, go there, and then race up planks and then boat it under the bridge, or just walk under the bridge, over the bridge onto the car. Now I don't want to get hit, because this boat is really good, it's really fast. Got to make sure it doesn't go lopsided or anything. There's a danger of that turning as fast as this boat goes. Now, if I were to go there, I'd have to. Right, so I need to figure out how to get onto this boat. Okay, that's simple enough, but not great. Plank. That won't work either. You know, if I'm starting on the boat, why do I even need to figure out how to get onto it? Because I'll already be there. I just need to figure out how to get up there and then back through. Well, I figured it out. There is a plank down the window, which I can just run up and then run back down, take the boat through where the wooden jetty has been destroyed to the bridge, and then I'll just walk. It should be simple enough. If not, I have quick saved, and then I can just prepare it again. Right. Forgot about this bit. No, I did pick it up. Okay, in the boat. Come on. Well, that wasn't ideal. And the boat is now slightly sinking, but I should be able to make it on time. That's the third one. So I've practically done it. Right. Need to run. I should be able to make it. Yeah, I will make it. That was simple enough, actually. Well, there's a helicopter there that was just about to find me, probably. And here's the map of the route I took. Yep, that's when I got off the boat. Then went around in the water, picked up the boat again. Went round there, because the fast boat isn't the most easily manoeuvrable, but it's quicker than any other alternative. Especially that jetty there. Not jetty, what am I saying? No, boat. That's a jetty, that's a boat. And into the boat again. That was fine then, absolutely demolished and left there. Yeah, wherever I go, there is definitely going to be extensive repairs needed. Although not as extensive as other places that I've seen. What's the breaking news now? GPS unit stolen, yes. Now for the emails. Yeah, that's the blackmail. Thanks for taking care of GPS devices. Huh. An even more secure type. Oh well, that seems like a job for next video. And I will see you all later. Goodbye.